Hi, I'm Marty Dittmer, Department of Dermatology, Mayo Clinic Health System. What I like most about being a medical provider is getting to meet my patients, meet new people every day. You know, everybody has a different story and a different background, and I love just getting to know that patient. I feel like it gives better care to, you can know how to treat a disease, but knowing how to treat that disease in a particular patient can be a totally different process. So I really love getting to know them to be able to tailor my care. What I like most about being a provider is getting to meet new people every day, get to know my patients. Everybody has a different background and story, and I love really getting to know them on a personal level too. I think that, knowing how to treat a particular disease is one thing, but knowing how to treat it in a particular patient, that's when you start to tailor your care, and I think it makes for better outcomes too. When I meet a new patient, the things I try to do to make them feel comfortable sort of come from the mentality that oftentimes patients, they've made an appointment a couple weeks ago, they might be waiting to see me, but I've been waiting to see them too. So I try to show up enthusiastic and really give them all my focus and undivided attention, and that's where I operate from. The best part of my job, I would have to say, is what's called clinical pathologic correlation. Not only do I do clinical dermatology, but I also do dermatopathology, which is looking under the microscope at a patient's biopsy and sort of making that diagnosis based off what you're seeing. And to be able to go from the patient, hearing their story, seeing their biopsy under the microscope, making that diagnosis, and then treating them, that sort of continuity is really what gets me up in the morning. A little bit about my family, from Iowa. I'm married and I have one daughter. She's a lot of fun, but a lot of work right now, and we enjoy just being outside, and so being situated in La Crosse is sort of a dream come true for us. In my spare time, I like to do a lot of reading, and I really like learning languages. So I studied Japanese for a while in college and got pretty proficient at that, and I just like learning languages and then putting that into practice with travel. So I think traveling is a big part of what I like to do when I'm not at work.